approach. And I don't think there is a need to explain the methodology because we have the same team.
No.
So likewise,
Okay.
in
Continue.
columns. Sorry.
Continue, Chairman.
Yeah. So guys, we have identified all the construction activity in column C, and we have kept, all operation activity here. But let us find plant startup shutdown. I think let us keep it. Normal operation is not there because you are going to shut down the system, but I still keep it. Maintenance with hot work, I still keep it. Emergency response, mock drill and real emergency. And this all weather are applicable, night will be prohibited, that I'll keep P. And HSC, yes, let us keep it, but PAGA system is not there, so I remove the PAGA. PAGA is not there, right, at wellhead?
No bug.
I think communication system, this itself is not there, right? Am I right? Communication system is not there at wellhead. CCTV is there? CCTV?
CCTV, I doubt. CCTV, we don't have it. We have only flame detection, flammable gas, or toxic gas.
So FNG is there. I think this both are not applicable. Active and this one.
Active is not there. Active is not there. Yes.
And communication?
That we need to check. Communication should be there. Radio communication should be there, but PAGA is not there.
Okay, I remove the PAGA then. Okay.
Delete
Interface, I'll keep it.
Active remove, active fire protection.
Okay, good. Interface, I will still keep it because this is very simple and this will be managed by the WMS system.
Okay.
So in construction, general activity is there, civil activity is there, instrument system is there, electrical system is there.
Piping and civil.
Piping is there, pre-commissioning is there, piping and equipment is there, NDT, everything will come.
Civil?
And tie-ins are there. And
any civil?
Civil is there, no? Civil.
Is there? Okay.
Yeah, civil, here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so let us take slowly and we'll have the same approach. Before we go for, I will take prohibition night because this was taken the same thing. Night work is not prohibited. So we'll do the same thing. Okay. So we have the same restrictions, but night work will go now here. R3 will go. I will remove R3. So this will become